these two by far neck and neck.
So what's with the 3 different methylene blues you got here?
Alright, so I have I tried all 3. I just have them lined up from, they're all good, but don't get me wrong, that these two by far neck and neck. This is really good, but not quite as potent. This is my number 1. Number 2, but this only has an edge on it a little bit. And this is number 3. And as you can see, you get a lot of methylene blue for the price. And this is the cheapest. I think I paid like $30. I think this was like $45. But this was really expensive. This was like $75. This one I think has one more ingredient. What do you think?
Let me see this one. So this is just methylene blue and distilled water. I know it's really good. I mean, it has so many different effects.
Yeah, it still does really
I use
good.
this one. I like it.
Yeah, that's a brand that Dr. Berg likes a lot. That one is really, the only reason I say this is better is because less drops has the same effect as double.
You compared it like that? You say less drops has the same effect?
Yeah. Say it takes 5 drops. The 5 drops is the same as like 10 drops.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Wow, that's really small writing. Man, that's really small writing.
And has zinc in there or something.
It has a little tiny amount of zinc and potassium, and maybe that combination somehow makes it more potent. Maybe they work synergistically together. I don't know. It's not a lot, but I don't know. Yeah. Well, the good thing is, even this brand, which you say is probably like
Neuro Blue,
the least effective, it's still really good.
Yeah, definitely for the price. You get a lot for like $30 or whatever it is. This one is Athletic. The one that Dr. Berg likes. This is like $45. This is Vital. Definitely a smaller bottle.
I was gonna say each one is bigger.
Yeah.
These look the same, but they're not. This is a little bit bigger.
This is super expensive. But it's kind of, I would start here, and maybe if you really, really want to, you can go here. But this is good for anyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you want the best effect, like less brain fog, it makes you a little sharper in the brain, better all around, maybe this one. And if you just want less of the liquid with the same effect, this one.
Huh. Interesting. Yeah, I've taken 5, 10 drops before. I think I went to 15. I'm trying to remember because it's been a while since I did it with this brand, and 5 didn't really have any effect. 10 was kind of the sweet spot. I felt an effect, and then I tried 15 a couple times. 15 didn't make it any better, so 10 drops was good for me with this. And I noticed more energy. I noticed I did it on a day when I was tired. I didn't get enough sleep. I didn't get enough hours of sleep. And I was yawning. And after I took this, probably within like a half an hour, I wasn't yawning all day.
Oh, I forgot.
I was just like energized.
Yeah, all of these is like having like a cup of coffee. It
Yeah.
makes you more alert.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Yeah, that got me. I was like, wow. I just noticed that. Like I wasn't, and I felt like a little, that I could tell a little clearer headed, you know. So it definitely had an effect. It definitely had a noticeable effect that I could feel for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
This by far we definitely recommend for well, anyone
Yeah.
if you have a condition or not. But if you don't have a condition, it might not help. But pretty much, like even my cousin who had that massive stroke, he uh, he loves his stuff.
Yeah.
Like if you're working from a deficit, like anyone with a neurological issue, just you'll notice a huge difference. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and ring that bell. And also contact us for any health services that you might want. Thank you.